It's quitting time for legislators at the state capitol. Today's the last day of the session. About 200 bills have been passed. One bill would require social media companies to fully comply with search warrants within 72 hours. Another bill reshapes RTD's board of directors to try and get some of the dysfunction out of that transit agency. There's a bill rolling back overtime protections for farm workers across our state, and another asks voters to give back their TABOR refunds to better fund schools. And legislators finalized the state budget, which makes cuts to Medicaid to balance a $1.5 billion shortfall. Last day of the session was relatively quiet compared to past years. There were some contentious debates that were decided today, though. Democrat-backed bill to regulate the sale of gun barrels, that died at the 11th hour. Democrats did pass a bill requiring college health centers to provide abortion medication unless they have a religious objection to doing that. And there's a bipartisan bill that could become the first law in the nation to limit the amount of deposits that sports bettors can make into gambling apps each day, how much money they can put in a day. Governor hasn't used his veto pen yet this session. He is expected to veto a bill that would make it easier for unions to organize, vetoed the same bill last year. By waiting until after the session ends for these late arriving bills, that gives the governor an advantage because legislators can't override his veto unless they happen to come back for a special session.